Pathway X is a variable for everyone. Sarah and I sat across from each other countless times listening to companies say that they wanted to engage younger people to get into their industry.
Like schools and businesses both seem to really want to connect with each other to talk about careers. We thought it'd be exciting and fun to make those connections.
The goal of Pathway X events is to inspire and connect and highlight industries that are facing a talent gap.
Our mission is to create the bridges between the schools, the teachers, the occupations out there.
The messaging that these companies are giving are more geared towards older students. We want to try and talk to students that are 13, 14, 15 years old who can start learning in high school how they can apply the skills to their future career plans instead of trying to make those decisions when they're in 11th grade or 12th grade and they really are being pushed towards college or maybe a track they're not comfortable with.
We create those pathways to get middle schoolers just thinking that there's other things out there. And they're going to know that when they actually get to engage, put their hands on something, learn about the starting salary they can make, the education commitment.
We can do customized events and work in ways that are going to make an effect not only in the community, but with the businesses that are facing this talent gap now. So we want to try and get with those companies and custom design small showcase events like this that tie into a student event that also wrap up with parent awareness, which is the most important piece to this.
It's a bridge to start a conversation. It's something that's interesting, community impactful. You're going to hopefully find a variable that works for you, but it takes a lot of exploration and curiosity and looking around, and that's what we're helping with.